I'm going to teach you how to sell your gift card on Carding app in Nigeria, guys. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification because whenever I drop another video, YouTube is going to notify you. Like this video and also share it for more people to see when you finish watching. Now, this is how it goes. Go to Play Store, Apple Store, and download this application, Carding. 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 You can see the name, Carding. Download it, and after you download it, open it, guys, and it's going to show you this interface. Click any option down here, just click any option down here, and see, when you click any option, it will show you this. It will show you like this. Do you understand? And you can see down here, you can see not yet register, sign up. Click on sign up, then it will show you this interface. Do you understand right now? Now, the first thing you need to do is to decide if you want to register with Gmail or phone number. This is Gmail, this is phone number. You can see this is for Gmail. Do you understand right now? And this is what you are going to do, guys. After you choose the one you want to use, do you understand right now? Let's use Gmail as an example. Now, select your country, Nigeria. Enter your Gmail. Put your Gmail here. Do you understand right now? Put your Gmail here. And you can see verification code. Do you understand? Leave it first and go to where it says password. Do you understand right now? Write your password. For example, let's say Godwin. Make sure it starts with capital letter, hard number at the back, and any symbol that you like. Do you understand? Repeat what your password here. And the invitation, put this invitation. Although the invitation is optional, but if you use it, you get a welcome bonus of 3,000 naira, and they will also reward me. But if you didn't use this invitation code, you will not get a welcome bonus and they will not reward me. So I will say, please use it. Do you understand? So both of us can get a bonus from them. Do you understand now? After you have done that, go back to where it says verification code. It's the same thing to register as a phone number as well. If you click phone number, this way to just say verification invitation code. You just have to put this invitation code. That's all. It's all the same thing. Now, this is what you are going to do. Where it says verification code, you can see send at the front of it. Tap on that send. Immediately you tap on that send, they are going to send code to your Gmail or your phone number, depending on which one you use. Now take that code and put it here. Immediately before it expires, click on sign up and your account will be registered successfully. Now, this is my own account right now. I have logged into my own account. Now, I'm going to show you how to sell your gift card and how to withdraw your money to your bank account now. This is what you are going to do now. You can see down here, you can see home, you can see sell. Click on sell. Do you understand? You can see categories. Select the categories of your gift card. Let's say Apple, Steam, Razer. Go select the one you want to sell. Let's say Apple iTunes as an example. The next thing is country of your gift card. Click on country and select the country of your gift card. Just scroll it up until you see the country of your gift card. US as an example. Please enter the card balance. Now select your card balance. Let's say $100. Write it. If it is $50, write it. If it is $300, write it. Do you understand right now? The next thing is you can see type. Is it physical card or code? Physical card is a gift card that someone purchased at a physical store. E-code is a gift card that someone purchased online on website. So they are just going to send the code of that gift card to that person's Gmail. That is e-code. So I'm going to use physical card as an example. The next thing you can see fast, leave it that one. The next thing is please enter the code, which means your gift card code. You can enter it if you have the code. You can enter your gift card code here and click on save. But if you have the image of your gift card on your phone, just click on this box and you can see upload from gallery. Select upload from gallery and select the image of your gift card from your gallery and upload it. After that, just click on send and in few seconds it will say success and the balance will be available on your account. Do you understand right now? Sharp. It will be available on your account like this. And the next thing you are going to is be available on your balance like this. Do you understand? The next thing you are going to do is to withdraw your money, right? Then click this three line up here at the corner after my name. You can see this three line corner here. It will show you this option. Do you understand? You can see wallet. Click on wallet. And you can see down here, you can see add bank card. when you click on this add bank card. So after you click on it, select the bank you are using. All Nigerian banks are there. Select the bank you are using, write your account number and write the name on your account number and click on submit, and it will be added successfully. You can see my OP has been added. Do you understand right now? The next thing you are going to do after that is to come back here. After you have added your bank, click on withdraw. Select the amount you want to withdraw. The minimum you can withdraw on here is 5,000 naira or to unlimited. Now, after you have write the amount you want to withdraw, you can say confirm to withdraw. You click on confirm to withdraw, and sharp, your money will deliver to your bank account without any delay. So this is how to sell your gift card on Carding app in Nigeria, guys. One love. If you have any question, write in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video and also share it. One love, guys.